So we need to now see that if this searching is working or not. We'll create a test file. Yesterday we have already created a test file for the bank charges, so the same we can use for the annual charges. Now here we can open this and all the information is going to be same, but if you want to have that date and time different, so let's have the date as 2nd of July and time is going to be same. Then the bank information is same and then we have the bank charges. Let's have the bank charges as 150 USD dollar. Then the reference number is different. And here, remember this is important thing. So here we are expecting from the bank that in the statement, always for the annual charges, so the text should be like this. Here, the text would be annual charges 86. So if the system will find this annual charges, okay, then this search thing will get trigger and this posting rule system will just determine, and whatever the GL we have assigned with the, or the posting in this posting rule, whatever the account symbol we have assigned, and to that account symbol we have assigned the GL, so that GL will be determined by the system. Now here we can also test it. So once again we can put the same text over here and then click on the test button. So still it is working. Now we can save this file with the name annual charges. So here we can save it as annual charges EC and we can save it. Click on the save option. Click on the save option. Now we need to post it. For the posting we have the same transaction code double F underscore 5, and here we have that we have to give the information. So select the import data. Here we will select the format as BA2 format. Then we can have the statement file. So this is the file we have created. It is the annual charges 2nd of July. Okay. So we can attach this file and then we can go down. Here we can select these three check boxes: bank statement, posting, and statistics. After that, we can give the number range. Then we can click on the execute button. Yes. So see here, which posting rule system has triggered. Although we have the same BTC code, but system has triggered your posting rule 86 AC. Why? Because we have maintained the search string for that. And in the search string, system has found that same information that annual charges 86 is there. And based on that, system has picked the GL, that is 403.112, not the 403.111 which we have maintained for the bank charges. So the posting has been made and this posting system has done for with the document number 1, it is 10018. So that is the use of the search string we can have. Okay. So here we can go back. It is saying that the bank entry system has posted, and that is bank entry we can see here. Now there are scenarios that system is not going to post some of the entries. Let's say the bank has sent us the statement where we have 50 transactions. So system could able to match, system could able to reconcile only 40 transactions. So what about the 10 transactions which are left? So if we need to upload the statement again, no, for that we have the post processing process. So we can enter the transaction code pattern and we can do the post processing. Now you can just see it is statement is blank. Why it is blank? Because the system has taken by default a different company code. What is that? So here we can click on this button and you can just see by default system has taken the company code 3000 house bank and account ID. So I'm maintaining here my company code ID. If you want to mention the house bank, that is fine. Otherwise you can keep it blank. And after that we can click on the execute button. Click on the execute button. Now you can just see here we have this type of screen. System will just show you if there are multiple transactions, you will be able to see those transactions. Here you can just see this arrow, up down arrow is coming, so you can just down here and the system would be able to show you the remaining, like whatever the transaction we have. So you will be able to view some more transactions. So since we have two transactions, that is the reason there is no use of this function. Now, if I just walk you through some of the important areas on the post processing, so you can just see here we have the bank entry and we have the subledger entry. As I just shared with you, whenever we'll have that logbox or for that EBS, so we'll have the two types of entry. One is the GL entry and second is the subledger entry. GL entry when your bank entry will take place when in both the line item when your bank transaction. So you will have you are using the GL account. So in that case, you will be using that bank entry. So system is going to give you the green indicator. And this subledger entry will take place. It will show you that subledger entry when you are doing some transaction related to the vendor or customer. So for example, if this is a transaction related to the incoming payment or outgoing payment, so in that case, this button will get triggered, or this system is going to show you that information that such subledger posting was done or not. So why it is grayed out? Because that is the bank entry. So in our case, 699, this is the posting we have made. That is the bank entry. That is the reason system is not showing you the subledger posting. Then what else we can do? So here, if you have any entry which you have some entries which need post processing, okay. So for those entry, you will find out here the yellow sign, or you will be able to find out here the red sign. So if there is a red button or the yellow button, for that you can just go to the menu. In the menu, you will have here the post option. So you can just see here we have the post button. So we can actually first we need to give the information why it is grayed out, because we don't have anything to post. So you can click on the post option, and after that, what type of account you want to consider. So you can just mention that account number, and system will be able to do it posting. So if this posting which you have made, okay, so if you want to get it reversed, so you can just see this is a document number system has given you. But if you want this posting to be reversed, you can click on the reverse posting. So the document will be reversed. So here once again the posting area, this is the bank entry which will be done under the posting area 1. This is the subledger entry which will be posted by a system under the posting area 2. And if due to any reason you are not able to post any, or the system couldn't match the transaction, system couldn't match the or reconcile the transaction, so you will be able to find out the reason for that also. On this screen for that particular transaction, you will be able to find out the reason. You need to go to that particular transaction. So for example, you can just see by default system is just showing you 100. But if I want to go to the 150, I need to double click on this. It will just give you some message. You need to press enter button in case, because in our case it is not coming. In case it is showing, you press enter button, and after that system will just give you that information. And after that, you need to go to this log button. If you go to the log button, so if any posting which system has rejected, so for that, what is the reason for that rejection? So system is going to show you that reason over here. System would be able to show you the reason for that posting over here, okay. And after that, let's say if any vendor account system is not able to find out, or any customer account system is not able to find out, or any GL account system is not able to find out, or any account assignment, let's say business area, cost center, profit center, so these fields are not filled in that transaction, and due to which those transactions were rejected by system. So system will give you this indicator over here, and after that you can do that manual posting. So you can go, actually this manual posting is to be done by the user only, by the business, okay. So here we need to have the understanding that this option is available in the system. So that is the use of the post processing or payment. Okay, so with this we are done with the EBS section.